morning students. Today we will demonstrate the process of electroplating. For that you need to know what is meant by electroplating. Electroplating is the phenomena by which we deposit one metal with the layer of another metal. For example, if we want to make our steel material shiny, in order to make it shiny, we will coat that metal with the layer of another metal. And this technique is used in the nickel chromium plating. Apparatus of electroplating. First we have taken the object to be electroplated, a spatula, a coin. Second, the metal for the electroplating, that is the copper metal with whom we want to layer our material. Then we have the clippers and the tape for the connection in order to fix our apparatus in its position. Then a source of power, which is battery. Plating, we have taken the aqueous solution of copper sulfate, which will act as an electrolyte and dissociate into ions in the solution, which will enhance the flow of electricity. The battery, the positive end of the battery is known as anode and the negative end of the battery is known as cathode. The positive end, that is anode end, must be connected with the material with which we want to coat the metal, that is copper metal. And the negative end, that is cathode, must be connected with the material which is to be electroplated, that is spatula. Now we will immerse both the end in the solution containing copper sulfate. After some time, but we will observe that the spoon will get coated with the layer of the copper metal and the electroplating process, that is layering of one metal over the other, has been done.